Hi, this is Jay Jenkins with Pearson Education, and thank you for watching my video. Are you getting the most out of your MyLab product? Whether it's math or stats, we're constantly innovating so that you can meet the needs of the day. Whether you're facing a problem of underprepared students, or want to get more personalized with your learning, or motivating your students to understand the concepts, or maybe you just need more data and analytics to find out what is really the main problem with your students' understanding. MyLab is always trying to address those needs. We've actually always made updates twice a year, and we sometimes make more than that. And if you'd like to see some of the updates that we've made recently, on the portal page of your MyLab product, you'll see what's new. If you click on the What's New link, it'll take you directly to our website, which will then walk you through the latest and greatest installations into the product. Is your campus looking at creating co-requisite courses? If so, go to Create Copy Course and put in Integrated Review. Our integrated review courses take the same great MyMathLab content that you've always been used to, and then builds in the prerequisite content that is needed to be successful in the course. Whether it's a co-requisite or a co-mingled course, our integrated review courses will meet the needs of you and your students. Are you finding that your students don't read the textbook? Well, unfortunately, that may be the case. Type interactive into your course search lookup, and you'll find that we've built some interactive college algebra courses, dev math, and even statistics courses that take the content and provide it to students in new and engaging ways. So instead of trying to force them to read a textbook that they do not want to read and will not read, we give them the content in videos, animations, narrative, exercises, practice, and examples, all in an easy-to-follow format that will guide them through a seamless learning path. Are you trying to motivate your students or get more peer-to-peer interaction in your classroom? Well, then try Learning Catalytics. It's built into the MyLab product for absolutely no cost, and it does not need anything except a Wi-Fi enabled device in order to function. So no more worrying and messing around with those bulky clickers or asking students to buy something else at the bookstore. Learning Catalytics takes care of all your peer-to-peer learning needs simply and effectively, and it's tied to the MyLab gradebook. Is your school looking to create a new learning path? Well, whether you're talking about accelerated courses, flipped classroom, lab-based, modular, or co-requisite, co-mingled courses, we have an answer. Talk to your Pearson rep or your Pearson Learning Technology Specialist for more information. We can also help you with preparedness, conceptual understanding, personalized learning, motivation, and many other things inside of the MyLab product. MyLab offers many features and functions to help you achieve your course goals. Do your students struggle with prerequisite content? Well, maybe they need Skill Builder, which is an adaptive practice that's designed to increase the student's ability to complete their assignments. It monitors the student performance and adapts to each student's needs and provides just-in-time practice for them to understand the concepts underlying how to get to the answer. The great thing about Skill Builder is not only does it give them just-in-time help, but they're not locked into the Skill Builder and into this adaptive cycle that they can sometimes get locked into in other products. They can always return to the homework whenever they're ready, once they've remediated their weaknesses. For more information on this and other ways to use the MyLab product, please contact your local Pearson rep or your local learning technology specialist. We're always here to help, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you and have a great day.